I was like, I'ma shake my.
I'm a one. I'm a one. I'm a 1 to 1. I could never be you. Little me too.
Hey guys, it's V again. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I know it's been a while. I don't even know, like, a lot of stuff been going on in my life, and I've just been trying to stay positive and stay afloat and keep working. But yeah, I definitely wanted to go ahead and give you a little update of my life and a story time. And as you can see by the title, I started working back at a club again as a waitress. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about that and let you know how it went. I'm gonna give a little story time. It's actually kind of funny of how the night went. So if you want a little update and to know how you know, the club industry is, you know, during COVID, like, you know what I'm saying, what is it, it's November, so you know what I'm saying, and seeing how much I make. I might even do vlogs and money counts, who knows. But anyways, if you want to see that, please keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I literally, okay, like, I'm in it to win it. I'm on a journey to 100K, but 1K first, okay? I need 1K. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I don't know, share the video. Thanks, bye. Okay, let's get into this. So the last time y'all saw me, this is gonna be like a mini update. Last time y'all saw me, I got a tattoo. Tatted. My first ever tattoo, and it's basically 5 stars. It's my life path number, and it's because the stars have 5 points. Like, you know, it's just a lot of deep spiritual meanings with my tattoo. So I got that. I actually got my bite retainer. Trying to get this gap closed so my teeth are looking good. I am gonna do a video over the bite aligner process, so just check on my channel if you want to find out more about it. I am gonna put my link below if you do want to try them out. And like I said, I'm gonna make a video explaining the process, but if you already know what it's about and you're just looking for a little coupon code and $100 off, go to my link in my bio, and I have some coupon code. Click the link and you can get your click the link and you can get your tray thing to do the little bite down thing. I don't know what it's called. The trays. You can get it for $29.95. Like, that's how much you want to pay for it, because sometimes they do mark it up. So $29, that's really good. Okay, so yeah, anyways, all those other topics I just talked about, I'm gonna go into depth in other videos. But let's get down to working at the club. Okay, so yeah, it's COVID. I'm not working full-time at my corporate job anymore, and you know, I was running around, I was traveling, I was like making money here and there, I was finessing. Shout out to Codename Chanel. But shout out to Codename Chanel. But yeah, I was doing all that stuff, but then I was just like, you know what, I really need a job. And I am trying to do multiple businesses right now. I do freelance services for people with like marketing and stuff, and then I also, you know, am trying to sell products and like brand it and all that stuff. So I'm trying to do both of those, but at the same time, it's kind of like I really need a steady income. So, you know, I'm like, okay, I want to work somewhere where I can make decent money, and I just didn't want to be there. I just didn't want it to be too time consuming right now, because I was still trying to do like all the other things that I want to pursue. So, you know, I was just like, you know, where you can make good, and you know, you can just pick it up on the weekends, or you know, it's real chill at the strip club. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do that. I like it because unlike the franchise restaurants, you know what I'm saying, like sometimes, like, you know, the Hooters, the Twin Peaks, any other franchise boob restaurant or whatever, you know what I'm saying, you have to learn like all the menu, and you got to be in training for like a week or do like 7 shifts. And I'm like, okay, no, I need money now. And usually at strip clubs, depending on what kind they are, but you know, the gentlemen's clubs, you usually can like walk in apply and you can get hired on the spot. You can really just do it instantly and then make money. But yeah, basically I went to the club and I applied on Saturday and I got to work. No, I applied on Friday and then I got to work Saturday, which was awesome because I was like, hey, I need money. So basically it was really chill. Like all we had to do was wear black fishnets and pretty much anything. So I wore like this black tie-up crop top with like these tights and some boots, and I just did it today. So it was honestly overall pretty fun. This is how I made the money. So how I made the money is because I don't know how much I would have made without this person, but basically I put on Instagram that like I was like, come see me, and then I put like where I was at, and then one of my followers, which was this guy who was being flaky to me, one of my followers, this guy who was being flaky to me, he was like, hey, I'm gonna come. And at first he was like, my friends don't want to come, and I was like, okay, whatever. I just said okay. And then he was like, okay, I'm coming. So basically, yeah, he came at like 1 o'clock or 12:45, and he made that shit poppin'. Like he already had owed me money because I was gonna order this Halloween costume, and first of all, my Halloween was just, it was one of the, I mean, I just didn't do shit. But I was gonna order a costume and he was like, I'll get it for you, and then he just like never sent the money. Like, ugh, all my little boos was flaking the weekend of Halloween. Like they was all on some BS. But anyways, so he had already owed me, like he said that the costume was gonna be like $120, and he was like, I'm gonna get it for you. So he had already owed me like $120 for the costume. So and then on Halloween, just didn't hear from him, didn't try to cash at me, didn't try to do this, and I was just like, okay, whatever, because you know I don't have time to be arguing with these flaky ass motherfuckers. I don't have time for it. So I'ma just cut you off because V is not about to play. Okay? So yeah, but anyways, he just ended up coming through at the club. Look at my tattoo, it's so cute. Anyways, he just ended up coming through at the club, and basically he gave me a stack, like, here, that's what I owe you. Like, actually you owe me $120, but that $100 stack is cool, but you actually owe me $120. So yeah, he gave me a little stack, and I was like, oh yeah. So then, you know, I'm happy because I'm like, oh, I just made some money. So I'm like twerking, she twerking, and I was just twerking by him. He's sitting at the bar, I'm just twerking by him, and you know, I'm happy. So then I leave, I go over to go see if this other guy got money because he bought a bottle, so I'm just trying to hang out with him. He ended up being cheap AF. Like, he wasn't really spending no money, but we took pictures together. I might insert, let me insert the picture. So anyways, hell yeah. Oh shoot, my camera about to die. Come on, I gotta get this story out. So anyways, yeah, he ended up being cheap, but you know what I'm saying, I was trying to be flirty with him. I did the most with him, and he didn't even give me no money. Like, and I wasn't really doing the most. I was just like giving him a lot of attention, and he didn't deserve it because he wasn't giving no money, you know. But anyways, yeah, so now I go back to him, and then basically yeah, I go back to the guy, and the guy who I know off Instagram who was being a flake, and you know what I'm saying, I low-key, you know, forgot about him because I was hanging out with him and I didn't order his shot, but it was okay because he, you know, he fucked with me anyway. So I was just like, like, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, but he still ended up getting his drink at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying, it was just a little slow. So you know what I'm saying, the bartender fucked with me. He was like, yeah, to the guy, like, yeah, you know, you should make sure you tip her. You should make sure you take care of her because she's just been doing a good job and it's her first night. That's what the bartender said. And so then this man, he gave me another stack. So he gave me 2 stacks. Woo! Woo! On my first night. So basically, I was happy, so I did a little dance. And basically, I find out at the end of the night that the stripper hoes was hating because they saw me twerking in the air. And I'm just like, yes, I'm a twerk. Even though I know I don't have to twerk. Like, I could take somebody's money with a straight face. But I was just like, you know what I'm saying? To make the customer happy. To make the customer happy, I'ma shake my ass. I'ma shake my ass. I was like, I'ma shake my ass. No, I was like, I'ma shake my ass. Anyways. Anyways though, I thought I was gonna, you know, I was just doing that. But it's crazy how these girls was hating that I was getting to a bag, and I just did a little twerk. I didn't do a whole lap dance. I just did a little twerk, little mama. Just a little something. So yeah, that was just funny. I don't know. So that's my long story short. So this is a story time, long story short. Basically, it was a pretty good night on my first night. My sales were like, but you know, like I haven't served in a while. So, you know, I needed a little extra TLC, you know, thinking about customer service and how to work smarter, not harder. But other than that, like, it was a pretty good experience. So, I don't know, I might do vlogs or I might do money counts. Hopefully I make enough money to do money counts. I'm just gonna manifest and put that in the air that I'm gonna do like $500 plus money counts. You're hearing it first with this. But yeah, I might do some vlogs. We're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see how the days and the nights go. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for some more story times and other videos that I got cooking up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram to see like daily updates and daily pictures of me. Peace out.